Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you, Glitch Titles 4K Pack, for Adobe Premiere Pro. You can download, link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. So now I am showing you how to install Premium Premiere Pro, Morgue file. Look, so to the same card or copy, see after. Your user. Then app data. Then roaming. Then Adobe. Then common. Then motion graphics templates, if copied or cut here, paste it, see I gave it. I am done. Now I am opening Adobe Premiere Pro, see. If you do not have this Essential Graphics tab, click Windows to open and click Essential Graphics. You can see here there is a search bar. So here I am searching by typing to glitch. Wow! Installation is done. You can see that everything is installed. Now you can use them on top of the video. So I will show you how to use it. You can change the color from now on, you can change everything from here, you can change the animation style, there are many functions here, you will see. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.